Hello everyone. Today we start with part 3 statement and comments. JavaScript tutorial. JavaScript statement. A computer programming is the list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, these programming instructions are called statements. A JavaScript program is a list of programming statements. Statements are called when we have to do something work, and we go with one by one. This is called a statement. Statements divided to in semicolons. Semicolons separate JavaScript statement. Add a semicolon at the end of each executable statement when separated by semicolons. Multiple statements online are allowed. We put in semicolon end of our first statement, then we go with the multiple line in a one line. JavaScript comments. Single line comments. Single line comments start with the double backslash. Any text between double backslash and the end of the line will be ignored by JavaScript, will not be executed. This example uses a single line comment before each code line. Multi-line comment. Multi-line comments start with backslash and star and end with star and backslash. Any text between multi-line comment will be ignored by JavaScript. This example uses as a multi-line comment to explain the code. I'll get back to my last file with connected to the script over here. In this video we'll find about statement and comments. Let's start with first JS. We give this JS file to variable. We assign a variable. Now we give a to the value something. This value we put in alert. Now see the browser. This appears because that we give this script JavaScript to this function that to alert to the variable. Now semicolon when you give the semicolon any line that it's working with a one line. Okay. Give this section to one line, that also be a work. See that? It's also be a work. This is called semicolons and statement, semicolon statement. How this work. Now I'm gonna back to this one line. Also that. Let's read about the comments. Now when you go for the real life project, that time you do not able to find out what is the this for it. Now that for it you work in group work, that time you need a comment. If I give double slash over here, then I say that this is for pop-up. This can't show in browser, but I remove this double backslash. This shows in a browser. It's not working. Why? Because that is not for a browser. See that? If I give also this backslash, this is working with a back condition. If I have to give this multiple line comment like this, backslash and star and backslash. This is also called multi-line comment. This is also not shown here. In this video we find out comments and statement. First is single line comment. Single line comment. Shortcut. I'll give you a shortcut. Is control plus backslash and multi-line. we have to put shift ultra plus A. Shift plus alt plus A. This is the shortcut for multi-line and single line comment.